No, you took me in a minute. Sort of what it runs out. So that comes to you. Yeah, a lot. Don't say a lorry then, that's
Yeah.
So what do you got all that money for, Jim?
Like tea and coffee.
Yeah, but no, so that's why.
Get your pinch, mate. Get your bird.
Yeah.
How much is it?